Focus.
Lately I've been staring at the dark. Turn my inner demons into art. Struggle with the pain inside my heart. Wish I didn't care about what the
Most of us enter the field of YouTube because of our favorite creators. But what I've come to realize is the trap of getting stuck inside this bubble. You see all these product reviews, tutorials, and how-to guides as your biggest inspiration. The imitation game in full effect. But what happens is that we've created a YouTube that feels generic, all uninspiring and bland. Through stealing as creators, we so beautifully craft the same gray matter everyone else is pumping into our online landscape. After all, it's easier to create when you have the template of success in front of your screens.
So for the ones who have been following me a little bit longer now, they probably know what this room is. This is the place where I started YouTube. This is the place where I learned filmmaking, where I was still studying marine science, where I was figuring out what it meant to be a creator. I remember in this room, this is where I note down some brands that I wanted to work with, some goals that I wanted to reach. And this is also where I tried to figure out what I wanted to do with the content that I'm making.
Say what you want to say, what you want to say, what you want to say, what you want. No one. No one. No one. No one. No one.
I tried stepping out of the boundaries of what I thought was possible. Focus with YouTube. Focus with what worked to create. What to others might have looked like pure chaos is actually the feeling of pieces finally falling together. Now, to keep me accountable and resist the temptations of new projects, I've been playing with this countdown widget on my phone. It's a hard reality, but it's always staring right back at me when I get distracted again.
I'm just so fed up with making review videos about stuff that doesn't matter. That clock, that doomsday clock keeps me grounded. It gives me purpose to know that what I'm doing and where I want to go now for the next foreseeable future is aligned with my values, with what I'm good at, with what I can teach people.
Yeah, I know, it might sound fluffy, but that to me is what sounds like focus. As you navigate your own YouTube path, I implore you to delve deep within. Uncover that one thing that sets your heart ablaze. Focus is not about limiting yourself. It's about channeling your energy into what truly moves you. It's about crafting videos that become a reflection of your core principles, your passions, your interests. Let your content be a testament to the possibilities that lie within you.
Every now and then I come back here to this room and then I see the progress that I made, and something that we don't stand still on much too often. Every project that's come in between, every little stepping stone that brought me here to where I am today. Just grateful. You should be too. Now, if you want to slow down a little bit more and you want to be intentional about the things that you do, I made a previous slow vlog and I promise you it's not a YouTube video.